Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Choose the core site and note exact coordinates so results are repeatable. Once done, set depth and diameter, sterilize tools with 70% ethanol and pre-label sample tubes to avoid mix-ups. Before coring, quickly measure ambient abiotic variables, temperature in degrees C, pH, and moisture percent, because these baseline readings explain within core gradients later. Make sure to wear gloves and minimize disturbance to surrounding material. This preserves the fragment's original abiotic context. You proceed by extracting and partitioning the core fragment carefully. Insert the core vertically, avoid twisting, and withdraw in one smooth motion so layers remain intact. Once removed, stabilize the core and section it into defined increments. Choose 1 cm for high resolution or 5 cm for broader surveys, and immediately seal each segment to prevent contamination or moisture loss. While sectioning, take in situ abiotic readings at each interval and note visual markers like color bands or gas pockets, because those features explain chemical and physical gradients you'll analyze later. You finish by running targeted abiotic analyses and wrapping up chain of custody. Measure moisture percent, pH, conductivity, and nutrient concentrations in mg per kilogram, and log instrument calibrations to ensure comparability. Once done, store segments at prescribed temperatures and create duplicates of crucial intervals for quality assurance. If results look inconsistent or contamination appears, resample an adjacent control core immediately and compare baseline readings. This troubleshooting step isolates field error versus true environmental variability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.